These are Supportion. What I mean by that is this is a support material, but like an accordion. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a name, and this is now called Supportion. Also thanks to my friend Joshua. And here it is. Look at it. This is 3D printed support, but in accordion mode. And there's a small one too. Wait, can I merge them together? Maybe, yeah, I did it. Look at this, so cool.